gang. I go by done and I'm back for another video, man. Hey, this finna be one of the most lit vlogs y'all ever see from us because we are about to get on the helicopter. But before we do that, say what's up to my beautiful wife.
Hey, y'all.
Y'all, she's scared, bro.
This ain't funny. This is not funny.
Bro, she said this ain't romantic. Y'all comment down below if this is romantic. This is very romantic. We finna get some champagne.
That's
we finna get some. Hey, it's romantic, man.
But taking flight is not romantic.
Hey, man, it's just crazy. I ain't gonna lie.
Scared.
Bro, I'm scared as hell, y'all. The crazy.
How you gonna surprise me by scaring me?
Honestly, I forgot you was afraid of heights. But then,
I think that's a prank.
No, this is real. This is real, y'all. This is not a prank. We finna get on the helicopter. The crazy thing is, if y'all didn't see our last vlog, make sure you go watch it. When she freaked out on the elevator, I was like, oh my God, she gonna freak out, bro. When she get on this helicopter.
Thank you.
Appreciate it, brother.
Yeah, my pleasure.
Yes, sir. See? Romantic. She trying to get drunk.
I need another one.
Cheers to the good life. Yes, sir. So,
cheers to staying safe on the helicopter.
yeah, that's what we doing, y'all. So, finna do a helicopter ride. I decided to take my baby on a helicopter ride.
Did you read the reviews?
All that. Matter of fact, they've been flying for like 50 years. Other companies been flying for like 4, 8. I didn't pick them.
If you just look.
I picked the one that been flying for 50 years. You know what I'm saying? And
I hope they're flying at 50 years though.
oh no, I just saw it. They look dope.
Not playing.
Except for the doors be open though. I was just playing. I was just playing, bro. Honestly, this would be a dope proposal. So if you haven't proposed to your lady or whatever, man, hey, y'all bring her to Prestige.
Hell, I ain't married. You can get my ring and do it. But that would be fire.
That would be fire, for real.
Me and everybody gonna be clapping like we not already married.
We finna do this, man. Honestly, y'all, I'm afraid of heights also, but I think Quona is more afraid of heights than me. You know what I'm saying? But yeah, I swear after it's over though, she gonna love it. She gonna love me for this after it's over. You know what I'm saying? But anyway, very dope, man. Very dope. Sipping on champagne. Got a beautiful woman beside me. What more could I ask for? Y'all make sure y'all comment, like, and subscribe to the channel. You know what I'm saying? We're in Atlanta for the weekend. We're gonna create a lot of good content for you guys. But I think this one right here, it's gonna be banging. You know what I'm saying? So y'all make sure y'all comment, like, and subscribe. And if you didn't see yesterday's video, make sure you go watch it. Cause y'all need to see how Quona reacted when I told her that we was finna jump on and off the jet. Cause no cap, man. Let's get it shouted, man.
Yeah, drop some praise in the comments.
Yeah, we gonna be alright. I mean, what other YouTubers you know go on helicopter rides? None. But us. Anything you wanna say to me?
I'm scared. Pray.
She gonna be alright. She gonna be alright. She with me, man. She with me. She gonna be alright. Let's get it, gang. On the way to the helicopter, gang.
I'm scared.
You scared, baby?
I'm so scared. Hey, the champagne good though.
It did. Got you kind of right.
I'm feeling good.
It's happening.
Wait, how we gonna get there?
I think it's just right here. Anyway, man, I decided to book
It's
it.
not cold out here.
Yeah, it's dope.
I sound glad it's not cold.
It's look good. It's cool. Yeah. That all right, gang. Okay. It's our helicopter, gang. We finna get up in that thing. No, you ready?
I'm nervous. I cannot help but be nervous.
Yeah.
But I'm excited to do it though, because it's something new.
Yeah.
And I'm excited to get it under me, like, so I can say I've done that before.
Cool. And gang, I decided to book a night flight because we want to see the city lights, right?
Absolutely. It makes it more beautiful.
Yes, ma'am. Okay, all right. Okay. Yes, sir. Break it, 1, 2.
Okay. I can hear you. How are you?
We back, gang. That was dope. That was dope.
Yeah, I made it back in one piece. I'm sorry. It really was dope, though.
Very dope. Very dope.
It was an experience like no other.
Yeah, for sure. Now we gotta get something to eat, man. We hungry. All right, brother. You have a good one, man. Yes, sir.
We enjoyed it.
Very, very, very dope. Yes, sir. Yeah, gang. So we had a
Baby, I can't believe I loved it so much.
I told you, man.
That was a really good experience.
I knew you was gonna like it when we got off the plane.
Plane, the helicopter.
The helicopter. I said plane.
I was over there
Helicopter.
charging their car. Man, I loved it.
Yeah, man. That was very, very dope. It's very windy out here, man. So y'all make sure y'all comment, like, and subscribe, man. We'll be right back. I love you, baby.
I love you too. Kiss.
Yes, sir. Let's get it.
Wait.
Go been drinking all these folk wine.
It wasn't wine. It was,
Cool. Look
it
at
was champagne. Okay, wait. I got it. Okay.
She ain't drunk.
I'm not drunk. But I gotta admit something to y'all. So when we were in the lobby and we were waiting on the helicopter to come in, our helicopter that we were gonna fly on,
Yeah.
like it was a long way. It was like maybe what? Let's say
It was
20,
about 20, 30 minutes for sure.
maybe 20 or 30 minutes. So we got complimentary champagne. And in my mind, okay, this is my theory. I'm thinking if I drink the champagne, if I drink multiple glasses, I won't freak out when I get on the helicopter, which I didn't.
Nah, you
It
didn't
worked
at all.
out. Like my
Yeah,
theory
you
was
didn't at all.
perfect.
Yeah.
Only thing is, I forgot I was driving.
Oh my god.
And now I feel it.
Oh my god, bro.
So how am I gonna drive? How am I gonna drive, babe?
Man, you good, bro. I trust your driving.
But we're in
You feeling a little good
Atlanta.
than me driving. But I ain't feeling nothing.
Baby, we in the A.
Man, you good.
You know how these lanes are. Oh my gosh. Let me take this off. I'll put my seatbelt on.
Put the phone melt.
Baby,
Sadness.
I gotta be real. I feel real good. Alright, let's get it.
Let's go, man. So, well, we got 14 minutes until we get to our hotel. We got dinner at 10. Look like I might be driving to dinner, but it's cool. Way too much champagne, man.
Oh,
Hey, but anyway.
that was a cute picture.
What I was gonna say about the pilot, I ain't gonna wait till we get to the room, man. I just want to say shout out to the pilot. His name is Jake. So if you book a helicopter ride with Prestige, which you should, it's a lot of helicopter places around Atlanta, but Prestige, they've been in business for like 50 years. That's why I booked them. And tell him you want Jake to fly you. Very cool, you know what I'm saying? And his support system, his wife and his kid, very cool. So hey, do that. You know what I'm saying? Shout out to me though, cause on the go.
Man, you really are. You are the GOAT, for real.
Yes, sir.
I'm so glad you booked this. Initially, I was like, what is wrong with Don? Like, he knows me well. He knows I'm afraid of heights.
Yeah.
So why would he even book this? But it was a really good experience, and I wouldn't take it back for anything. I felt comfortable the entire time. It was very romantic.
Shout out to
especially
Jake for
the
that
champagne.
comfortability though, for real.
Yeah, he really did make it comfortable. Cause like he was like, if anytime you're feeling nervous, you're uncomfortable, let me know, and
I'll
we'll
turn
do
around.
whatever it is
For sure.
you want to do. If that's land,
For
I
sure.
got you.
For
So,
sure.
thank you, babe. I
For
really
sure, man. You know
appreciate
what I'm
this.
saying?
You put a lot of thought into this, and I just appreciate you for making this day special.
Oh yeah, for sure. That what's up. Hey, but anyway, we finna get on the road because we got dinner at 10. It's 8 o'clock. We gotta go to the room and get ready for dinner. You know what I'm saying? Because y'all know how I be. I ain't trying to show up at 10:30. 10 o'clock we gotta be there. So we gotta hit the room, get ready for dinner. You know what I'm saying? And we gonna holler at y'all on the next video. So y'all, appreciate y'all. Don't forget, comment, like, subscribe. If you want this tea right here, either you want it or you don't, go to ImperiumLetters.com. It's love weekend. It's not love day for us. It's love weekend. And we are so in love. You dig what I'm saying?
We really are.
Yes, sir.
We celebrating real love, not YouTube love, y'all. Like
Yes,
real
sir.
love.
Real
'Cause
love.
you know how folk be. They
Yes,
get together
sir.
and make a YouTube channel.
So just know, man, if you're looking at this video, you want to take your wife on a good date, your girl on a good date, call the Prestige. Prestige, give me a promo code.
Oh,
Yeah, dig.
baby.
What up?
We ain't get no gas.
What
Why
we
we
at?
came on here with no gas?
Oh my God, we on E, folks.
Why we did it?
You gotta stop somewhere.
How it's supposed to feel.